Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss the PYQs of CET and COMEDK on vectors. Part 3. In part 1 and 2, we have done up to 50 questions. We will start with question number 51. Before I start guys, before I start, please do subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the classes. And if you've already subscribed, okay, please do share this video at the end of the session. Let us start guys. Question number 51. Okay, there's a Lagrange's identity. When you have suppose dot the whole square, dot the whole square plus cross the whole square, dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is equal to mod a square into mod b square. This is mod a square into mod b square. That's called Lagrange's identity. It will be equal to root of dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is mod a square into mod b square. This will be equal to root of mod a square into mod b square. Right, root and square cancels. You will get this as mod a into mod b. Modulus of a is 16, modulus of b is 4. 16 fours, it is 64. Answer is option B. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 52. Angle between A and B is 2 pi by 3. That is theta is 2 pi by 3. Okay, angle between A and B is 2 pi by 3. Projection of A on B is minus 2. Now, according to the question, projection of A on B is A dot B divided by mod B is equal to minus 2. Right, projection of A on B formula. Yeah, projection of A on B is equal to A dot B divided by mod B is equal to minus 2. Projection of A on B. A dot B is actually mod A into mod B into cos theta. Mod A into mod B into cos of 2 pi by 3. Right, it is given in the question that angle between A and B is 2 pi by 3. So this is 2 pi by 3 divided by modulus of B is equal to minus 2. This B will cancel with B, and then this is modulus of A. Modulus of A and cos 120 is minus half is equal to minus 2. That minus and minus cancels. If I cross multiply, you get modulus of A is equal to 4. Answer is option C. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 53. A unit vector perpendicular to plane containing two vectors. Let's say this is vector A and this is vector B. Unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Let's say this is vector A, this is vector B. Vector A and vector B, this is n cap, right? If you take vector in opposite direction, this is minus n cap. Now n cap is equal to plus minus. N cap is equal to plus minus A cross B by mod of A cross B. A cross B by mod of A cross B. A cross B is equal to determinant. A cross B is equal to determinant. You get components of ijk. Right? Components of A will be equal to 1, 2, 1. And components of B is minus 2, 1 and 3. Okay, this will be 3. Now A cross B is equal to hi Gaurav. This is I into delete first row first column, 6 minus 1 is 5, minus j, delete first row second column, 3 plus 2 is 5. Delete first row last column, you get plus 5. You take 5 common. This is minus I plus I minus j plus k. This is A cross B. Right, mod of A cross B is equal to modulus of 5 is 5. It will be equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 5 root 3. Right, now n cap is equal to plus minus. N cap is equal to plus minus A cross B, that is equal to 5 times I minus j plus k upon 5 root 3. This 5 and 5 cancels. So it is I minus j plus k. So plus minus, right? So two cases will be there. If I take plus sign, it is I minus j plus k upon root 3. Right? There's no such option. If I take suppose minus, n cap is equal to minus of I minus j plus k whole divided by root 3, and n cap is equal to, if I take multiply minus sign, you get minus I plus j minus k whole divided by root 3. Right? That's the last option, D. Minus I plus j minus k by root 3. D only. Right? Let's move to the next question. See, if I have suppose box problem like this, you take this as determinant. Okay, into this is box of ABC. Right, with comma, without comma, same. STP, scalar triple product. If I take the first row, components are 1, 2 and minus 1. If I take the second row, this is 1, minus 1 and 0. If I take the third row, this is 1, minus 1 and minus 1. Now if I expand this, delete first row, first column, you get 1. Delete first row, second column, minus 1. Delete first row, last column, you get a minus 1 plus 1. Is equal to box of A comma B comma C. Right, anyways this will cancel. You will get this as 1 minus and minus is plus, that is 2 into box of ABC. A comma B comma C. Right, so this is equal to 3, 3 times box of A comma B comma C. That is option, answer is option B. Right, question number 54. 55. If two vectors represent two sides A and B respectively of a triangle ABC, length of the median through A. This question was asked in 2020 paper as well. This is A, B and C. I want length of the median through A. AB is given, that is I plus J plus K. Okay, and then AC is given I plus 3J plus 5K. AB is given, AC is given, then the length of the median through A. Length of the median ED is equal to modulus of AB plus AC mod of AB plus AC by 2. This is equal to modulus of this is I plus J plus K, and AC is equal to I plus 3J plus 5K. Okay, and then whole divided by 2. Right, this is equal to, yes Gaurav, right, root of 14. So this is equal to 2I plus 4J plus 6K whole divided by 2. This is modulus of I plus 2J plus 3K. Now if I take the mod of this, it will be root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, which is equal to root of 14. Okay, this is equal to root 14. Answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. If A and B are unit vectors, so this means that modulus of A is 1 and modulus of B is 1. A and B are unit vectors. And theta is the angle between A and B. What is sine theta by 2? Alright, now listen. Mod of A minus B the whole square. Mod of A minus B the whole square is mod A square plus mod B square minus 2 times A and minus 2 times A dot B. This is mod of A minus B the whole square. Right, this mod A is 1, mod B is 1. Right, A dot B is mod A mod B into cos theta. So this is equal to 2 times modulus of A into modulus of B into cos theta. Mod of A minus B the whole square is equal to 2 if I take common. Mod A mod B is 1 because it is unit vector. 1 minus cos theta. modulus of a minus b the whole square is equal to 2 times 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Right, if you take this square out, you get mod of a minus b is equal to root of 4 into sin square theta by 2. Okay, modulus of 4 is 2, and then you get this as sin theta by 2. This is mod of a minus b. Right, and then modulus of a minus b upon 2 is equal to sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 is modulus of a minus b by 2. Answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 57. If these vectors are coplanar, let's say this is vector A, this is vector B, this is vector C. Coplanar means box of ABC is 0, that is A dot B cross C is 0. Condition for three vectors to be coplanar is A dot B cross C is 0. So determinant equal to 0. Right, first row will be equal to 2, minus 3 and 4. Second row is 2, 1 and minus 1. Last is components of C will be I, lambda, minus 1 and 2. 2 into delete first row first column, you get 2 minus 1, plus 3 delete first row second column, you get 4 plus lambda, plus 4 delete first row last column, you get minus 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. So this is 2, 4 into 3 is 12 plus 3 lambda. Okay, minus 8 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. So this is 6, right? 6 minus lambda equal to 0. 12 minus 8 is 4, 4 plus 2 6, lambda should be equal to 6. Answer is option C. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 58. Yes, Gaurav, right? If this is a unit vector, modulus should be 1, right? Modulus of lambda into 2i minus 4j plus 4k is equal to 1. Take lambda common, modulus of 2i, this is modulus of lambda, mod lambda into root of 4 plus 16 plus 16 is equal to 1. Root of 36 is 6. Root of 36 is 6 is equal to 1. Mod of lambda is equal to 1 by 6. Lambda is equal to plus minus 1 by 6. Answer is option E. Right? Question number 59. Find theta, find sin theta if theta is the angle between the two vectors. Let's say this is vector A, this is vector B. Sine of the angle between the two vectors is mod of A cross B upon mod A into mod B. Okay, so first I'll find out A cross B. A cross B is determinant, components of ijk. Right, components of A will be equal to 3, 1 and 2. Components of B is 1, 1, 2. Delete first row first column, 2 minus 2 is 0. J into first row second column, 6 minus 2 is 4. K into first row last column, 3 minus 1 is 2. So this will be equal to minus 4j plus 2k. Right, A cross B is equal to, I'm going to take 2 common. This will be equal to minus 2j plus k. Okay, and then mod of A cross B is equal to modulus of 2 is 2, root of 4 plus 1, which is equal to 2 root 5. So sine is equal to modulus of 2 root 5. Okay, modulus of A is root of 9 plus 1 plus 4. And modulus of B is 1 plus 1 plus 4. So this is 2 root 5 divided by root of 14. and root 6. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. A cross B 312 112, first row first column 2 minus 2 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, and then you get 2 common. This is right. If I take modulus, you get 2 root 5. Modulus of A is 9 plus 1 plus 4, which is root 14, and modulus of B is equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, now this will be equal to 2 root 5, right? This is equal to 2 root 14. Root 14 can be written as root 2 into root 7. This fellow can be written as root 2 into root 7, and then you get root 2 into root 3. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 will cancel with 2. You get root 5 by root of 21. So whole root of 5 by 21. Answer is option E. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 60. If A and B are two vectors of magnitude 2, so this means that modulus of A is equal to modulus of B is equal to 2. Incline at an angle of 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. What's the angle between A and A plus B? Cos theta is equal to angle between A and A plus B is A dot A plus B divided by mod A into mod of A plus B. This is mod A into modulus of A plus B. Mod of A plus B. So cos theta is equal to A dot A plus A dot B divided by modulus of A, mod of A plus B the whole square. Mod of A plus B the whole square is A square plus B square plus 2 times A dot B. Okay, so this is mod A the whole square plus mod B the whole square plus 2 times, what is A dot B, guys? A mod mod B into mod B into cos theta, right? Modulus of A is 2, so this becomes 4. Modulus of B is 2, 4. 2 times modulus of A is 2, modulus of B is 2. And theta is already given, angle between A and B 60 degrees. So this is cos 60. This will cancel. You get 12. Mod of A plus B, the whole square is 12. So modulus of A plus B is root 12. Right, and then A dot B is equal to mod A into mod B into cos theta. This is mod A into mod B into cos theta, that is cos 60. This is mod A is equal to 2, mod B is also 2, cos 60 is half. This will cancel, you will get 2. Alright, now if I substitute the values, this is mod of A plus B, the mod of A plus B cos theta is equal to A dot A is mod A the whole square, modulus A dot A dot A is mod A the whole square. Modulus of A is 2, so this is 2 square, which is equal to 4. And this is 4 plus A dot B will be equal to 2. Modulus of A is equal to 2. And mod of A plus B is equal to root 12. Root 12 can be written as 2 root 3. So 6 divided by 2 into 2 root 3. This will cancel 3 times. 3 by root 3 is root 3. So this is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So theta should be equal to 30 degree. Good question. Answer is option A. Right. Let's move to the next question. If the vectors AB and AC are sides of the triangle, then length of the median through A. So there's one more question, a similar type. Today's class we did. There's a similar question asked in 2020 paper. A, B and C. Alright, AB is given and AC is given. You should find length of the median through A. Length of the median through AD is equal to AB plus AC by 2. This fellow is AB plus AC by 2. This is equal to AB. AB is 3I plus 4K. AC is equal to 5I minus 2J plus 4K and then whole divided by 2. Right, mod of this is equal to 8I, okay, minus 2J plus 8K and whole divided by 2. If I take 2 common and cancel, you will get 4I minus J plus 4K. 16, 16, 32 with plus root of 33 is the length. Root of 16 plus 1 plus 16, which is root of 33. Right, answer is option D. Question number 62. See, again I'll use Lagrange's identity. When I know dot and cross, dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is equal to mod A square into mod B square. Okay, so if I use this Lagrange's identity, dot is 3, right? So this is 9. Cross is 5. If I square, I get 25 is equal to mod A square into mod B square. Right, so therefore mod A square into mod B square is equal to 34. Answer is option D. Question number 63. Direction cosines of a vector. So this is vector A, right? Direction ratios will be equal to 2, 1 and minus 2. These are the direction ratios. Direction cosines, if I take modulus of A, root of 4 plus 1 plus 4, which is equal to root 9, 3. And then direction cosines, L is equal to 2 divided by 3, M is equal to 1 divided by 3, and N is equal to minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3. Answer is option A. Right? Question number 64. Unit vector in the direction of any non-zero vector is given by, let's say this is vector A. Unit vector in the direction of a non-zero vector is A cap is equal to vector A divided by its magnitude. Vector A is equal to I plus 2J, sorry, A plus 2B minus C. Magnitude of this is root of 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is root 6. Right? Answer is option A only. Isn't it, guys? Let's move to the next question. I'm supposed to find what's the angle between A and B, right? Mod A, mod B, sine theta. Yes, if I take suppose mod here, modulus of A cross B is equal to root of 9 plus 4 plus 36. Mod of A cross B is mod A into mod B into sine theta. And root of 49 is 7. Modulus of A is 2. Modulus of B is 7 into sine theta is equal to 7, right? So 7 and 7 cancels. Sine theta is half. Sine theta is half. Theta should be equal to pi by 6. Answer is option B. Right? Question number 66. if suppose a triangle is given whose centroid is 1 1 ijk, that is, you have a triangle, first vector is 2I plus j, that is 2 comma 1 comma 0, second is equal to 0 comma 2 comma 1, and third will be equal to I is 1, j is 0, and k is m. Okay, and then centroid g is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. Now centroid g is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Right, centroid g is 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equal to, if I add the vertices, you get 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0 plus 1 by 3, comma, this is 1 plus 2 plus 0 by 3. Okay, and the last one is 0 plus 1 plus m divided by 3. Now if I equate the third coordinate, z coordinate 1 equal to m plus 1 by 3, cross multiply, 3 is equal to m plus 1, m is equal to 2. Right, answer is option C. Question number 67. The area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are A and B is 20 square units. So this means that mod of A cross B is equal to 20. Now I should find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are this. Area is equal to modulus of 7A plus 5B cross with 8A plus 11B. Okay, now if I find the area of this will be equal to modulus of 8, 7, 8, 56, 56 A cross B. Just a sec. This is 56 A cross B plus 77 A cross B. Then 5 8 40 B cross A. And then my plus 55 B cross B. Okay, and cross product of two similar vectors is 0, right? This is 0 and this is 0. This will be equal to 77 A cross B. And then A cross B is equal to minus of B cross A. This is 40 times A cross B. Okay, now this is 77 minus 40 is 37. 37 A cross B. 37 I'm going to take out. And then you get mod of A cross B. 37 and mod of A cross B is 20, which is 740. Answer is option B. Right, let's move to the next question. Mod A, mod B, mod C is given. Each of the angles between them is 60 degree. Right, what is the value of modulus of A plus B plus C? Suppose if I find out mod of A plus B plus C the whole square. This is mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square, A square B square C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So this is modulus of A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to modulus of A is 4, right? So this is 16 plus 4 plus 36. This is 36 plus 2 into a bracket. A dot B is mod A into mod B into cos theta, that is cos 60. This is again mod B into mod C into cos 60. Again mod C into mod A into cos 60. Right, so this is modulus of A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to 16 plus 4, 20, 20 plus is 56, right? Plus 2 times modulus of A is 4 into half plus 2 2AB, right? Something I'm missing here. So this is equal to 2 times modulus of A is 4, modulus of B is 2, and then you get half. Plus again 2 into mod B. Modulus of B is 2, modulus of C is 6 into half. Plus 2 into modulus of C is 6, modulus of A is 4, and cos 60 is half. This 2 will cancel, this 2 will cancel, and this 2 will cancel. Mod of A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to 56 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24. Okay, so mod of A plus B plus C the whole square is equal to 56 plus 24 is 9. 56 plus 24 6, 80. 80 plus 20 will be equal to 100, right? Modulus of A plus B plus C is equal to root of 100, which is equal to 10. Answer is option A. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 69. If the points with this position vectors are collinear, A is equal to, I'll take 10 comma 3, B I'll take 12 comma minus x, and C I'll take this as x comma 11. They are collinear, right? So this means that slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope formula is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. You can take area of the triangle 0 as well, no problem. You get a same answer. I'm just using coordinate geometry method, right? Now this is the slope of AB is minus 5 minus 3 divided by 12 minus 10. Slope of BC is equal to 11 minus of minus is plus 5 divided by x minus 12. So this is minus 8 divided by 2 is equal to 16 divided by x minus 12. This will cancel 2 times. If I cross multiply, minus x plus 12 is equal to 4. Minus x is equal to minus 8. Minus and minus cancels. X is equal to plus 8. Answer is option C. Right, question number 70. See, if I want to do this problem, if it is true for A, then it should be true for any value of n. Part 1 and part 2 we have done. I'm going to take vector A is equal to I. This becomes I cross I cross I cross I. This will be equal to J cross with I cross J. Again, this is K cross with I cross K. I cross I is 0. Right, now if I take in cyclic order, this is I, this is J, and this is K. I cross J will be equal to K. J cross K is equal to I, and K cross I will be equal to J. So this is equal to J cross with I cross J will be equal to K plus I cross K. K cross I is J means so this is minus J. Okay, J cross K will be equal to I. This is minus of K cross J. Minus of K cross J will be equal to minus I, so this becomes plus I. So this is equal to 2I. I is equal to A I took, right? So this fellow is 2 vector A. Answer is option D. If it is true for A, then it should be true for any value of A. Question number 71. Okay, see, actually A plus B the whole square plus a minus b the whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square, right? 2 times a square plus b square. A plus b the whole square is 20 square, which is 400. This is 400 plus a minus b the whole square is equal to 2 times a square. 15 square is 225. This is 144. Mod of a minus b the whole square is equal to 225. 144 will be equal to 369. 369 into 2. 9 2 is 18. 6 2 is 12. This is 13. 3 2 6 plus 1 7. 738 minus 400. Mod of a minus b the whole square is equal to 338. If I take the square out, modulus of a minus b is root of 338, which is option A. Right? Let's move to the next question. Question number 72. See, this is COMEDK problem. No, CET question, sorry, 2009. U cross V. U cross V is equal to modulus of U will be equal to a minus b cross with a plus b. Okay, so this is a cross a cross a plus a cross b. This is minus b cross a. This is minus b cross b. Okay, b cross b is 0, a cross a is 0. This will be a cross b, right? Minus of b cross a is a cross b. A cross b plus a cross b is 2 times a cross b. So this is 2 times modulus of a cross b. Right, again I'll use Lagrange's identity, dot the whole square plus cross the whole square is equal to mod a square into mod b square. From this I can write a cross b the whole square is equal to mod a square into mod b square minus a dot b the whole square. Right, if I take this square out, you get root, that is root of mod a square mod b square minus with a dot b the whole square. Okay, so this is equal to 2 into root of mod a is 2, right? Mod b is 2. So if you square and multiply, you get 16. If you multiply, you get 16 minus with a dot b the whole square. Okay, answer is option A. Question number 73. A dot b is orthogonal, right? Orthogonal means a perpendicular. That is, dot product should be 0. A and b are perpendicular. That is, A is orthogonal to b means dot product is 0. That is, you will get this as mu plus lambda minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, lambda plus mu is equal to 2. Okay, and then mod A is, if you substitute the options, both the C will satisfy, D will satisfy. Okay, now mod A is equal to mod B, right? That is, mod A the whole square is equal to mod B the whole square. Mod A the whole square is equal to 1 plus lambda square plus 4. Mod B the whole square is mu square plus 1 plus 1. This will cancel. Lambda square minus mu square plus 3 is equal to 0. Lambda square minus mu square is lambda minus mu into lambda plus mu. Okay, plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is lambda minus mu into 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. From this, lambda minus mu is equal to minus 3 by 2. If I add these two, you will get 2 lambda is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, lambda is equal to 1 by 4. Mu is equal to 2 minus 1 by 4. that which is equal to 7 by 4. Right, answer is D, 1 by 4 comma 7 by 4. Let's move to the next question. See, mod of a minus b the whole square. There was a similar question in 2020 paper. Mod of a minus b the whole square is mod a square plus mod b square minus 2 times a dot b, right? Mod of a minus b the whole square is equal to mod a square is 1, mod b square is 1 minus 2 times. This is mod a into mod b into cos theta. 2 minus 2 times cos mod a mod b is 1, you get cos theta. Take 2 outside, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Okay, so this is mod of a minus b the whole square. If you take the square out, modulus of a minus b root 4 is 2 into this is sin theta by 2. Okay, 2 into sin theta by 2, answer is option B only. Let's move to the next question, question number 75. The vectors are coplanar for what value of lambda? Coplanar means box of ABC should be 0, right? That is, determinant should be 0. X plus 1, x plus 2. This is x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5. X plus 6, x plus 7, x plus 8. Whenever the arrangement of numbers are in AP in a determinant, right, then the value for determinant is always 0. This is true for all values of x, right? Because if I subtract R2 to R2 minus R1 and R3 to R3, change R2 to R2 minus R1 and change R3 to R3 minus R1. If I subtract, you will get this as x plus 1, x plus 2. R2 minus R1 is 3, 3, 3. R3 minus R1 is 6, 6, 6. Second row, third row, take 3 outside. So obviously 6 outside, you get 0. So it should be true for any value of x. Right, let's move to next question. Question number 76. Box of a minus b, b minus c, c minus a is always 0. Answer is option A. No need to use these conditions only. Right, question number 77. See, it's a good question. I can write this as OB minus OA, right? This can be written as OC minus OD, right? If I shift on the left side, OD minus OA is equal to OC minus OB. Okay, let's call equation 1. I'm supposed to find out what is AC plus BD. AC is OC minus OA, right? And BD is OD minus OB, right? Now I'll do the grouping. I will group this as OC minus OB. The first and last. Left out is OD minus OA. Right? From equation 1, OC minus OB is equal to OD minus OA. Plus this is OD minus OA. Okay, this is from equation 1. If I add, I get 2 times OD minus OA. 2 times OD minus OA is equal to 2 times AD vector. Answer is option A. Right? Question number 78. Projection of A on B, again I'll use the formula A dot B divided by mod B. A dot B is equal to 10 minus 1 minus 3. Modulus of B is 4 plus 1 plus 1, root 6. So I get minus 6 divided by root 6, which is equal to minus root 6. Okay, answer is B. Projection can be negative. So it should be, projection of A on B can be plus 6 or minus 6. If it goes in the opposite direction, if it is obtuse, it will be minus 6. Right, let's move to the next question. A and B are two non-zero vectors. Dot product is mod A into mod B into cos theta, right? So you get modulus of cos theta because mod of A dot B is there. This is mod A into mod B into sin theta. This will cancel. Mod cos is equal to mod sine. Mod cos is equal to mod sine means theta should be equal to pi by 4, or it can be equal to 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 or 3 pi by 4 d. Right, let's do one more question for this session. This is A, this is B. I should find unit vector coplanar with the given vectors, that is A cross B and perpendicular to C. So this will be equal to A cross B and perpendicular to again I plus j, perpendicular to A. So this is A cross B cross A. A cross B will be a determinant. You get components of I, j, k. Components of A will be equal to 1 minus 1 0. Components of B is 1 minus 2 and 0. You get only the k component. Yes, you get this as only k component. You will get this as minus 2 plus 1, which is equal to minus k. Now I will find out A cross B cross A. So this is components of I, j, k. Components of A cross B will be equal to 0 0 minus 1. Okay, so this is 0 0 minus 1, and components of vector A will be equal to 1 minus 1 and 0. Delete first row first column, this is 0 minus of minus is minus 1. Delete first row second column, you get plus 1. This is minus I minus j. Okay, now if I take suppose minus common, you get I plus j, right? If I take modulus unit vector, r cap is equal to vector A by its magnitude. R cap is equal to vector A divided by its magnitude, which is equal to minus of I plus j divided by root 2. So answer should be equal to C only. Minus or plus minus I plus j by root 2. So I'll stop here, guys. I'll start with question number 21 in my next session. All right. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, enable the bell icon so that you get notification for all our classes. If you have already subscribed, please do share this video, guys. I'll start with question number 81 in my part 4 of this vectors. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining.